the world between the wars. Actually, Russia is a country which was ruled by czars up to 1917. Russia spread a vast country which is in two continents, that it is of Asia and Europe. It had 156 million population, the third largest population in the country. The China is the first largest country and India is the second one. It is comprising of the 15 states, just like Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, and others. China is the country which had followed the feudalism. Feudalism means the domination of the landlords. So the main occupation of the people is agriculture. So most of the people are struggled because of the feudal lords. Feudal lords is going to dominate them. They always control the lands with them. They demanded high amounts of rents from their lands, and they also control the crop. And the ruler of this continent was Tsar Nicholas II. Tsar Nicholas II was a ruler. With the help of his bureaucrats, he used to rule the country. But due to some unnecessary wars in which the Russia had followed, they had to face a lot because of the unnecessary wars. They had to pay a lot of money by them, and the shortage of food also took place for them. Unnecessary expenditure also additional burden for the Russian people. So yes, it was a mighty army before it, before the uh, Russian Civil War, that it is nothing but a 1917. Russian army was a mighty army, but as they participated in the unnecessary wars, just like World War One was also the important war in which the Russia participated in. Due to it, actually the vast empire of Russia lost its nearly 2 million soldiers in the war. So, and moreover, the shortage of food led to the people to struggle against them. So many of the women came onto the roads of the St. Petersburg, which was the old capital of Russia, for by demanding peace and bread for them. The king tried to control them, but the situation became too worse, and he could not able to control it. And the military also joined along with them. Then the king had to lose his kingdom, and see, the revolution took place there. The revolution took place suddenly. Revolution means either the sudden change or a gradual change. In Russia, we have seen a change in the form of government from autocracy. Autocracy means monarchy. Autocracy means the rule of a single person. So it is also called to be the absolute rule. It is also called to be the despotism. So the new after the revolution, the new government came into the existence, which is called a provisional government, which was led by Prince Love. So after the revolution, already we have seen there was a another big revolution. The revolution which had taken place in March was called to be the March Revolution. After the March Revolution, another revolution was also took place. Actually, the first revolution was started on 8th March of 1917, when women came out of their houses onto the roads of St. Petersburg. And the revolution also took place in the same year, 1917, October. So in this revolution, actually, the liberals means those who demand the civil liberties, just like fundamental rights and others, and also aristocrats. They decided Russia to continue the war. Actually, they were in World War One from 1914 to 1918. The World War One was going on. So here, some liberals and aristocrats decided to continue the Russia in the World War One to protect the pride of the fatherland. Actually, we call India is our motherland, but the Russians call their land is their fatherland, country to be said to be their fatherland. But the common people had to face a lot of problems, such as shortage of food, and they demanded for the stoppage of the war, World War One. But the common man faced a lot of problems and they demanded to stop the war. So many of the people in the rural areas formed as the groups which are called as Soviets. Soviets means they are the councils which are organized by the rural people, just like industrial workers, peasants, soldiers. So these groups were supported by Bolsheviks. Bolsheviks were led by Vladimir Lenin. You can see the picture here, Lenin. The Bolsheviks also led by Bolsheviks also demanded some demands, just like immediate unconditional peace in Russia, that means stoppage of war, nationalization of all land and its redistribution to the landless peasants, and control over the prices and nationalization of factories and banks. Then they can establish the food for all and employment also for all the people. But many they came into the power in 1917 after the Bolshevik Revolution, which is called to be the October Revolution. But all the other countries, just like Britain, France, USA, Japan, they sent the armies to check the communism in Russia, because all these countries are following other than communist governments, that means liberal governments, democratic governments, and others. So, however, these all attempts were failed and they were defeated in 1920. But by the end of the 1920, Bolsheviks established a strong communist government under the workers group, which is called to be the proletariat, that means working class government. Gradually all the countries under the Tsarist Russia, once upon a time when Tsar ruled Russia, the other countries which were separated after the Tsar's rule again agreed to join with Union of Soviet Socialist Republics as USSR, Union of Soviet Socialist Republics. It was set up in 1924. So there is a date conflict in Russian Revolution. There is a date conflict in Russian Revolution. Actually, Russians followed a Julian calendar until February 1st of 1918. Actually, Russia changed to the Gregorian calendar from February 1st, 1918. The difference between Gregorian calendar and the Julian calendar is 13 days. These 13 days are ahead by the Gregorian calendar to the Julian calendar. By our calendar, the February Revolution took place on 12th March, so it is called to be the March Revolution. But actually, October Revolution, which was took place in 1917, according to our calendar, it was started on 7th November. But we said that October Revolution. We say that the October Revolution. That is the date conflict between our calendar and Julian calendar. Thank you.